Think your customers are looking you up online before they call you? You bet they are, and you had better look good. Think of your online presence as a storefront. It needs to attract and draw people in. But who has the time and money to spend on professional web design and management? The good news is you don't need much of either. Now you can choose from 2 affordable website solutions that work for you around the clock, yet are simple to use and maintain. With a do-it-yourself solution, no technical or programming skills required. Choose your look and feel, upload your text, images and logo, and you're all set. Add a photo album, a newsletter, or an online shopping cart. It's that easy. Your website comes with marketing tools, analytics, and business class email, all with the same provider for one low monthly fee. Still too busy? Choose a do-it-for-me solution and have a professional website or online store built for you by a team of seasoned web designers. They'll craft your website with stunning graphics and compelling content at the fraction of the price you'd normally pay for such expertise. Make a powerful impact with a credible and engaging website that drives results.